Welcome to episode 17, and let's know a very important trick for AutoCAD. First go to Google, then search fan AutoCAD block. Search for any object blocks but in DWG models. B blocks helps to save time, reduce file size, and maintain consistency across drawings. Now download the CAD block of that particular object. Search for the downloaded file in your download folder. As you click on it, it gets open in DWG, which is your AutoCAD file but in enlarged size and in grouped system. Now suppose you want to add the fan in your working AutoCAD file, so just copy any fan from this file and go to the working file and paste or Ctrl-V to paste the fan you copied. As it is downloaded in an enlarged size, so pasting here would also give you the same enlarged size. Just scale the object according to the measurement and make it fit for your drawing. Once scaled, move it to your drawing and place it accordingly. Explode the object since you can't change its color that way. Now you can change the layer of your object. Since the color of the fan is black and I want it in different layer color, so just select the layer and go to by layer to give the layer effect on the object. You can try this same thing for other objects as well. Thanks for watching. Do make the most of this trick.